Hey, what is up, beautiful people? Today I have the Glossybox for the month of March. I did set my lightings a little bit, change my lighting a little bit. So let me know what your thoughts are as far as the lighting. Is it too bright? Should I turn it back down a notch? Let me know what you guys think. But let's go ahead and jump into this month's box. As always, I do have links, and this is sent for review purpose. And a Glossybox always has the cutest packaging. They always have like a little bow, something super cute. I can see the little card has little macaroons, which are yummy, so yummy. So this month's theme is Pretty Pleasures, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into what's in here. So I'm gonna just open up the bow, open the tissue paper. Woo! Ooh, this month's looks good. Okay, so first thing in here is the Cab Cosmetics. This is a full size, and this is the Sugar and Spice Gloss. This is worth $18. This is a Dusty Rose Beige Nude Lip Gloss. So it smells like vanilla cupcake is what it says. So there it is. I've been dying to try Cab Cosmetics. I think I've only tried like maybe one other thing. I can't seem to recall, but okay. So, oh, that is a pretty shade. That is a shade that I can definitely see myself wearing. It's like that pinky, beautiful nude. Ooh, so I will be playing around with this, and this is called Sugar and Spice. So that is a win already for this month's box. Next thing in here, and the box itself is, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's $21 a month. I do have a coupon code down below if you guys want to get a discount and get a box for cheaper. And next thing in here is the First Aid Deluxe Mini. This is a Ultra Repair Cream, and it is the pink grapefruit. So also something that I absolutely love. Grapefruit, I love First Aid Beauty. This little mini is worth $5, right? $5, yeah. So this is an Ultra Repair Cream. It has shea butter, oatmeal, and it's citrus scented. So I will be playing around with this and put this into rotation with my skincare. And let me just smell it. Wow, that is thick. So this is definitely for someone with dry skin. Oh yes, it has that delicious pink grapefruit scent, which I absolutely just love. So yay, win-win this month. So next thing in here is the Cleanest Zero Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. This is one of those balms to take off your makeup, which I love doing a double cleanse. This is $3 for the Deluxe Mini. Why do I know that I've kind of like seen this brand? I'm not sure who they're affiliated with, but I will definitely play around with this. It doesn't have much of a scent to it, and see how I like it. I'll probably take off this makeup with it. Next thing in here is the Caldel. I know people like hate on me when I mispronounce things, but I mean, I do what I can, I'm sorry. Caldel, I want to say it's pronounced. It's the Vinyl Perfect Radiance Serum. This is $26 just for the mini one. It's expensive. So this is their best selling skin tone serum that helps with dark spots and pregnancy marks and acne marks. So hopefully it'll help me, because mama's got some stuff that she was picking at, which you should never pick at your skin, but it's so hard. It's just so hard not to do it. But don't pick at your skin, like you're not supposed to. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but the makeup is helping, but I went for it and just squeezed the crap out of my skin, which is a no-no. Next thing is the Bergamot and Jasmine No Rinse Hands Cleanser, which is $10 for the mini. Okay, I don't see that. Okay, so it says your product may vary, and mine does. So I have this, which is the Spa. This is a full size from them, and this is their hand balm. So this is not on here. It says that you know, your product may vary, so mine did. This is a nourishing balm for working hands, and it's supposed to have sweet almond, jojoba, and shea butter. So we're gonna just open this up and see how it is. Ooh. I don't really care for this. The smell is like very naturally smelling. I don't know how to put it. Like, you can tell it's got like some herbs in there, definitely. But not too bad, not too bad. Especially it's gonna be for your hands. And wow, that is like super hydrating for the hands. Very, I don't know if you guys can tell that they look a little greasy right now. But that's a good, like, if you have really dry hands, then that will definitely help you, especially for those who are suffering through winter right now. Because I know, like, one of my really good friends, she is up in Boston. She was like, it's -6, and I was like, oh girl, oh no. I am not about cold weather, so just a little tidbit about me. And the last thing in here is the Soon skincare. This is their Golden Eye 24 karat hydro gel patches. One single treatment is worth $6. I will definitely be using these. If you've watched me on Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, what you waiting for? Like, go follow and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Totally left that out, you know, just in case, you know, it works or something, or if you guys want to stick around. Me. Okay, so yeah, so these are the eye patches. I absolutely love eye patches. If you watch me on Instagram, you will see me wearing these all the time. Not these specifically, but I'm always, in the morning I wake up and the first thing I do is put some eye patches underneath these eyes because mama is tired. So I feel like they do something. I feel like they help plump and hydrate underneath them. So I am all about eye patches. So you will definitely see these on my Instagram. And that is it for this month. I think that this has been like one of my favorite months, especially because of the first 3 things here, like the first aid, the Cap Cosmetics, and the cleansing balm. So really great balm. Really great balm, really great month. I can't wait to play with this lip gloss. It just looks so beautiful, so I'm excited to play around with that. Let me know what your thoughts are. I will put the total value around here, as I always do, so you guys know what the total value of the box is. Let me know if you're excited for this month's box. What are you excited to get? I'd love to hear from you down below. If you have any questions whatsoever, I try to answer them when I can, but I am trying to manage 2 YouTube channels and an Instagram. The fastest way would probably be to DM me through Instagram. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that little like button down below. Follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.